Ho, ho, ho. We're gonna make a cute little Santa Claus. Hit the like button and don't forget to miss any videos.
Hello, welcome back to Doodleville. Hi guys, welcome back to Doodleville today. Today we're going to be drawing a cute Santa Claus. What do we need, Krista, for the drawing? Here, my daughter's here with me to draw today. She's 2. Just kidding. She's 11.
You're gonna need something to draw with. Sharpie, pencil, marker, crayon, it doesn't matter, and a piece of paper.
Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to start with the cute eyes. So, we're going to draw 2 big eyes. One I'm going to put here. And one I'm going to put here. Then I'm going to make a circle up in this left corner of the eyeball, and a small circle down in the right corner of the eyeball. And then I'm going to fill in or color in with black the rest. I love to color at Christmas time. It's so much fun. You can make Christmas cards and all kinds of things. It's really a good time. Next, we're going to be doing the nose. When you finish coloring in, start on the nose. Okay, so we're going to be drawing the nose right about here. And I'm going to do a long horizontal oval, just like so. Okay, next I'm going to be drawing his mustache. I'm going to draw his mustache like so. And the other side. And my little guy's going to be a jolly guy, so he's going to have his mouth open. Like so. His little tongue, draw a little rainbow shape. And then color in the rest. So you want to do a U, a little rainbow shape for the tongue, and then color in between the tongue and the mustache. Good. That's so jolly, Krista. He's like, he's laughing to the side like, ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, boys and girls! Okay, next we're going to be doing his hat. So let's start with his hat. And we're going to be coming over to here. You can do a fluffy hat or straight hat. I'm going to do a straight, smooth hat. So I'm going to go from about here all the way across to here. I like how your head's turned sideways like Jolly Elf. Okay, let's see. Then we're going to come up the sides, curve around, come up, and then curve around and come up on the other side. Then we're going to connect these 2 sides, like so. Good. Okay. Now we're going to do the top of the hat. So I'm just gonna bring this, so move my paper down a little bit, bring this over to the side, and then I'm gonna bring it a little bit further down, and then I'm gonna connect it by going like this. Then I'm going to draw a circle, but I kind of want like more of a ovally square rounded circle, so it's going to be kind of like kind of like not a perfect circle, kind of look like a cotton ball.
Can I draw a fluffy one?
You can draw a fluffy rounded one, whatever you feel. Next we're going to be doing his inside his beard. So we're going to be drawing down here to his mustache and then down here to his mustache and just connect it. And then we're going to be drawing out wide at an angle and curve around, come around, and curve back up to the hat. Good. So far, so good. Next, we're going to be making his outfit. So we're going to come at an angle like this, and then we're going to curve down here, okay? Just like so. And then we're going to do his arms. And stop a little bit short so you can make the white part. Like that. And we're going to curve around here. Then we're going to make that white cotton trim around here, and you can make it fluffy or whatever. I'm just going to kind of make it bumpy. Then we're going to start his belt once we've done that. Good job, Krista. Okay, so his belt's going to be right across his tummy. And leave an opening for the buckle. So come in here. Then do a square for his buckle. And then 2 more lines to connect the other side of his belt. Good. I'm going to finish off his buckle and color in that middle black. Now I'm going to finish his jacket right here and kind of make the puffy white stuff right there. Give him some little hands. Don't forget his hands. Then we're going to do his pants. So I'm going to come down here, come down here. I'm going to come across kind of squiggly. And then come down for his socks. And then come across a little squiggly. And then lastly, we're going to make his shoes. You just draw a line down here, come out to the side, and make his boots. Do the same thing on the other side. Come around, curve in to make his boots. Good, you guys. I like to draw Christmas stuff while listening to Christmas music. And I forgot one thing. I forgot his little ears. They go right here. So don't forget his little ears. We can give him big ears. And I think that's everything. And if you'd like to give him a little sack that he could put his presents in, let's go ahead and draw a sack right next to him. So I'm going to draw a sack by him. I'm going to start by going kind of a bowl shape, a little bit of a bowl shape, a low bowl. And then a line down each side. And then a curved line down this way like so. Curved line down like this way like so. And his ground to walk on. And then to make his sack look full, you're going to do a line up from the bottom, kind of a pointy line, like so. And then give it a little tie right here. And a loop, de-loop, like that. So he can fill his sack with lots of toys for all the good boys and girls. Okay, so now that we're done drawing, it's time to
Color!
color! Let's color, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button.
Whoa, Santa Claus looks cute. Thank you for watching, and don't miss out on videos. And hope you draw your Santa Claus.